Have you ever wondered how your favorite apps, games, or websites work? Behind all of it is something called programming, the language we use to talk to computers. And in this video, I'm going to explain what programming is, in the simplest way possible. Programming means telling the computer exactly what to do, step by step. Just like we follow a recipe to cook food, computers follow instructions to complete tasks. Computers cannot understand English, Hindi, or any human language. They can only understand machine language, which is made of zeros and ones. To communicate with computers, we use special languages like Python, C, or Java. These languages help us write instructions in a way we can understand, and computers can later translate. Computers need a translator. A compiler translates the entire program at once. An interpreter translates one line at a time while running the program. To sum up, we use programming to talk to computers. We write in programming languages, and the compiler or interpreter helps the computer understand and follow our instructions.